Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the keyless entry are located on that Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Guys, we will share where you can find them. Also, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. By the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the keyless entry, we will start by checking two fuses, then we'll talk about relays. We'll show you guys what you need to check here specifically. We are going to demonstrate on that generation Mercedes C-Class, and quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that you have up to 6 different fuse boxes. Some are extremely hidden, some don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video to help you out. It's on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. It's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out guys. So what we need to do now here, we need to open the trunk. When you guys open the trunk on your Mercedes, you need to lift the carpet liner up, and here on the right side you have another carpet liner that's kind of like cut out. Lift the flap, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, for the keyless entry, what we need to check here specifically, let's talk about that now. First, we're going to check two fuses, then we'll talk about the relay function as well, what to expect. And the first fuse that we need to check specifically is fuse number 460. We're talking about this 10 amp fuse. And then guys, you need to check fuse number 461. These two fuses will need to be checked. Now, what about relays? You don't have relays. The module does the relay function. Those are known as relay fuses, and that will be the only thing that you need to check. If you still have problems with it, we'll recommend to check the ignition switch fuses. Relays, the video will be on our channel for any of you needing help with that. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.